you think will happen if we ignite a sparkler in an orange? Let's find out. So all we're using for this lab is an orange and a magnesium sparkler. Put the sparkler through the orange and ignite one end. Leave just a little bit of the sparkler sticking out of the end to ignite it. Okay, now we're going to ignite our sparkler. I hope you enjoyed today's edition of RamZland, and I'll see you next time. If you enjoyed this presentation, be sure to remember to like and subscribe.